Budgeting money is an important skill that helps everyone manage their finances better. Now, here are some simple steps to help you achieve your budget. So, first, write down all your sources of income. This includes your allowance, your job earnings, or any money that you receive. Knowing how much money you have is the first step to budgeting. Next, list your expenses. There are things you spend on, like food, games, I don't know, clothing, if you play games, if you, whatever. Don't forget about regular bills like phone or internet costs. It's helpful to divide expenses into two categories: needs like food and shelter, or wants like a Ferrari and snacks. You know what I'm trying to say. Now, compare your income to your expenses. If you find that you're spending more than you earn, you're going to need to make some changes. Look at your wants and see if there's things that you can cut back on. Maybe you can save money by skipping an extra snack or waiting a little longer before buying something. Finally, set a savings goal. Decide how much money you want to save each month. This could be something special like a trip. And by sticking to your budget and savings, you're going to feel more in control of your money. All right.